to use some of the basic commands in Blender. Here's some of them here. So the first one we see there is tab. So tab on the keyboard lets you change from edit mode to object mode. This is very important because when you're in edit mode, it means you can edit the object, and but if you're in object mode, then it separates everything. So that's important to make sure you do that. So try tab, edit, object mode. Okay. We've spoke about already. It lets you select everything or select all. Okay, select none or select all, like that. So if you want to select something in Blender, you need to right click. So that's 2-tap on the Mac on the trackpad here. And then you can use the arrows to move it in the different directions, X, Y, and Z. You can also press press G on your keyboard, and that grabs it and just lets you move it around. Okay, so if you press G and X, it'll move it in X direction. If you press Z, it moves it Z direction, Y, Y direction. Okay, so it means then you can position things exactly where you want them. Okay, so if I just press escape, then it'll stop moving. So let's try another one then. We're going to create this little object here to make it look like a Postman Pat van. So we're going to go into edit mode. So at the minute we're in object mode. So let's go to edit mode. Okay. We're going to press A to select none. Okay. We're going to zoom in a little bit. And then we're going to do what's called a loop cut. So we're going to cut the box. So we're going to use the command Control R to do a loop cut. So we'll do Control R, and you'll see it on the box now. So once you click on it, then you can decide where it's going to be. So we're going to go with halfway, and then click. Okay, so now we have a cut in the middle of the box. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to unselect everything again. So we're going to press A. We're going to rotate around till we see the front, only the front. We don't want to see any of the sides, just face on like this. Because when you select something, it may select the sides as well. We don't want to do that. So we just want to select the front. You press B, and you get this cursor. This is called box select. And we're going to select the bottom half. So just go above the line here and drag it across. And then you'll see if we rotate around now, we have just selected the front face of this box. And then we're going to do what's called extrude. So if you look here, it's E is the key. So we're going to do E to extrude, and we're going to move it out. Okay. So then we can move around, press A to select none, and we can press Tab to go back to object mode. Okay. So quite a lot of things in there. Let's try and see how many we can remember.